If you've been looking for work from home customer service jobs, this is your sign. These companies are hiring right now, so don't skip any of these leads. Make sure you stick around to the end because I have a top Amazon customer service job you're going to want to see. So let's get into these roles. Our first job is coming from Globe Life as a customer retention representative. This is a part time morning shift. In this role, you will answer questions regarding coverage, premiums, and other policy information. You will also make outbound calls to collect past due payments. You will answer questions about premiums, coverage, and accounts, document customer information, and update records, as well as use sales customer service to retain those clients. This is a heavy phone inbound and outbound role. You must have a high school diploma or GED. You must have those basic Microsoft Office skills and able to type 30 words per minute. They would like to see someone with strong communication, problem solving skills, and someone who has that background in a call center, sales, or insurance. If you are confident on the phone and you have that background and you're just looking for something part time during the day, they also have positions in the evening as well, part time. So if this is something that you are interested in, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role is coming from Sedgwick as a patient care coordinator. This is a full time remote position. So, what you will do is you will handle inbound calls about claims and benefits. You will also help customers complete the claims process. You will explain documentation, timelines, and payments, as well as enter and update claim information in the system. You will also route calls or escalate when needed and act as the main point of contact for the callers. What they would like to see is someone who has a high school diploma or GED that is required, someone who has 1 year of customer service experience, as well as that basic Microsoft Office skills and knowledge of medical terms and claims, which is a plus. This is a good fit if you like helping people and solving problems, as well as you can handle calls back to back and you are very detailed and tech comfortable. So, if this is something that you are interested in, this link will be in the description to apply. Also, before I forget, the role starts at 17 and then at $18 per hour, which all depends on your location and your experience. So again, if the patient care coordinator is a position that you are interested in, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next position is coming from iRhythm as a customer care advocate. The schedule is Tuesday through Saturday, 3 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. This is a full-time remote position. So, in this role, what you would do is provide inbound customer support for patients and providers. You will also verify insurance, explain coverage and costs, as well as help with enrollment, billing, and service issues. You will also make outbound calls about payments and benefits, document all activity in Salesforce and CRM systems, as well as ensure HIPAA and compliance standards are met. What they would like to see is someone who has a high school diploma or GED, someone who has that 2 to 3 years of customer service experience, strong communication skills, someone who can type 40 words per minute, and a typing test will be provided. They would like to see someone who has strong Microsoft Office skills, and also someone who has that healthcare or insurance background, which is a plus. In this role, it is a great fit if you can handle fast paced, high call environments. You can stay calm with sensitive patient situations, and if you're very detail oriented with documentation. If you want that healthcare focused remote role with great potential, this customer care advocate position is a great start. In this role, the starting pay is $20, ending at $25, which all depends on your location and your experience. So, again, if you are looking for that customer care background or position, this link will be in the description to apply. Our next role is coming from Insight Health as a patient support specialist with the onboarding team. This is a full time remote position. Pay is $20 an hour, and the start date is April the 27th. So it does look like they are moving fast on this position. So if this is something that you're interested in, I would apply as soon as possible. So what you would do is you will run onboarding calls for new patients. You would teach patients how to use medical devices. You would explain those health readings in simple terms, troubleshoot basic tech device issues, as well as document all that information in the EHR systems. You would do follow-up calls to keep the patients engaged as well. What they're looking for is someone who has a high school diploma, someone with strong communication skills and patience, someone who is able to multitask in a fast paced environment, someone who has that basic tech skills and healthcare experience and medical device knowledge. In this role, again, the schedule is Tuesday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You must attend a training for 5 weeks, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, the pay is $20 per hour. Once you have gotten the position and you're assigned a shift, they do have shift differentials with additional pay. Also, it does come with a sign on bonus, which is great as well. So, if you like helping people and explaining things clearly, you can handle high call volume without slowing down, and you are comfortable in a healthcare tech system field, and you want that bonus pay with long term growth potential, this is a great position. So if you are interested, the link will be in the description to apply. Our last position is coming from Amazon as a customer service specialist with the healthcare billing and revenue cycle management team. The deadline for this application is April the 21st. It is a full-time virtual position. So what you will do is you will handle inbound calls from patients about medical bills and insurance. You will also explain coverages, copays, deductibles, and EOBs. You will help resolve billing errors and claim issues, set up payment plans, process payments, investigate insurance claims and coverage problems, as well as document everything in the EHR CRM systems, as well as coordinate with billing, insurance, and providers. What they would like to see is someone who has a high school diploma, someone with 2 years of customer service, whether that's healthcare or general customer service, someone with 1 or more years in medical billing or insurance experience, experience with EHR or CRM systems, someone who has strong communication and problem solving skills, and someone that is comfortable handling sensitive financial conversations. In this role, it is a great fit if you have that healthcare billing or insurance experience. It is a great role if you can explain complex info in simple, calm way and you are a very detail oriented person. In this role, it does start at $20, ending at $22 per hour, but again, that all depends on your location and your experience. So, if you want that customer service position with a great company for great growth, this is a great position, and the link will be in the description to apply. All right, folks, those are the job leads that are hiring right now. Make sure you don't wait because they do fill fast. If one fits what you're looking for, apply today and stay consistent. More remote job drops are coming, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.